Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by making sure FL Studio Mobile is updated and your audio output selected. This prevents missing instruments. Next, open an existing project or create a fresh one and confirm a drum track exists so you have routing ready. Then, tap the plus icon in the channel rack or the instrument list to add a new instrument or sampler. Once done, choose the sampler or drum kit option to load audio files. This is where you import or select the log drum sample you want to use. Now import your log drum sample through the file browser. Tap Import and pick a WAV or MP3. After it loads, trim silence, normalize level, and set a clear root note so tuning works predictably. Use loop points only if you need sustain, otherwise keep single-shot mode. Then assign the sample to a pad or map it across the keyboard in the sampler settings so you can play different pitches in the piano roll. This gives melodic control and consistent playback across notes. You finish by sequencing the log drum in the piano roll or step sequencer, laying out velocity and timing for groove. Once arranged, make sure to EQ low rumble, add transient shaping if needed, and apply subtle reverb or room emulation to place the log drum in the mix. Use compression lightly to keep dynamics. When satisfied, export stems or the full mix and save a new project version. If audio is missing, check routing and sample assignment first and re-import if needed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.